Welcome back to English Made Easy. The word of the day is gaslighting. It means psychological manipulation of a person, usually over an extended period of time, that causes the victim to question the validity of their own thoughts, perception of reality, or memories, and typically leads to confusion, loss of confidence and self esteem, uncertainty of one's emotional or mental stability, and a dependency on the perpetrator. Here are some examples. Someone who says you're overreacting, dismissing emotions as exaggerated or unimportant. You're just being too sensitive, dismissing someone's feelings and making them feel like their emotional response is unjustified. It's all in your head, making the person feel like their concerns or feelings are imagined or irrational. You're crazy, directly labeling the person as mentally unstable or irrational to undermine their reality. Gaslighting, the word of the day.